Hi there, myself Vidur Vasishtha Chetri, and from today we are going to start our new course, that is C programming. So this C programming tutorial is specially designed for the bachelor's level student or for those enthusiasts who want to learn programming language. We have designed our course in such a way that every beginners can learn from it. So we have going to discuss every topic in detail and in simple manner. And if you are new to this channel and if you haven't subscribed to our channel till now, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification whenever I upload new video. So this is our first tutorial. Here in this first tutorial we are going to see what, why, and how. So before starting any new course, we need to have a clear understanding about what we are going to study, why we need to study that particular course, and how we can use the knowledge of that course to solve the real life problem, or how we can implement this knowledge in our day-to-day life. So here in this first video we are going to see what actually the programming language is and why we need to learn programming and how we can use the knowledge of programming to solve the real life problem. So the formally we can define the programming language is a set of commands, instructions, and the other syntax that is used to create software slash program. So these programming languages is the languages which is used to create softwares or program. For example, currently we are using YouTube. So these YouTubes are written by some companies or some programmer using some programming languages. So to write any software or the programs, we need to use the programming languages, or in simple word we can define the programming language is a language which allow us to give instruction to a computer in a language that computer can understand. So this programming language gives us the ability to instruct computer, or we can use this programming language to write programs from which computer can solve the real life problem. So in simple word, the programming language is a language that is used to write software or programs. So there are dozens of programming languages used in industry to develop software. Some of them are C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, etc. So we have different types of programming language, and this language have their own syntax. And here in this course we are going to learn C programming. So why we are learning the C programming is because the C programming is the basic language, that is basic and easy language. So before starting any types of programming language, first we need to have a basic understanding about the programming. So this C language gives us the basic understanding of programming and how this programming language work. So if you are new to the programming, then this C programming is the best language to learn. And if you have a basic idea about C, then you in future you can learn any type of programming language. So learn this. So think as this C is the first step to our programming language. In future we are going to learn other types of programming language too. So C. So here in this course we are learning the C, and C is the procedural programming language which was initially developed by Denny Ritchie in year 1972. It was mainly developed to write system program language to write operating system. So usually this programming C programming language is mainly designed to write the operating system, but we can use this C programming language as the general purpose language to write any types of programs. So before starting the programming, I am going to give you the 4 tips which will really help you to learn the programming language. So tip number 1, the programming is the basic skill that every student and professional need to have, and it is the demand of digital world. So programming is just like a mathematics that every student need to learn, and it is the basic skill. So second tip is it gives us the ability to use the computational power of computer. So we can informally say that we can use the brain of computers using this computer languages. And third, the programming is similar to driving. Both can be learned only by practicing. So if you want to learn the programming, then the theoretical knowledge is not sufficient. You need to practice it properly. So the programming is similar to driving. We can't learn just by saying. We need to do proper practicing. So this is all for today's video. From next video we are going to start our C programming formally. Thank you.